Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make ginger cough drops. It's very simple. All you need is ginger, sugar, honey, cinnamon powder, lemon, and water. And I'm going to teach you step by step. When you peel up the ginger, the next step is to grate your ginger. Okay, once you grate your ginger, just put it in a pot. Bring 1 cup of water. Add half cup of sugar, and finally 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, or you can use clove powder, whatever you have at hand. Now let's bring it to the stove on medium heat until it boils. This is probably mine. I'm gonna be turning off the stove now. Okay, now I'm gonna strain the ginger juice. If you want some